Okay, so from what I saw from your email, you've already calculated the map units, which is 6.52, right? And assuming you've already gotten the parentals, which are our QQ, as well as that one, and the recombinants, which are those and that one, we need to figure out how to get the map units into a genotypic ratio here. So what we're going to do is put it into that formula. So we know that percent equals total recombinants over your total offspring, right? Now that's multiplied by 100, and we're going to plug 6.52. So map units and the percent recombination are the exact same thing. It's gonna be 6.52 right here equals the total recombinants over the total offspring times 100. So the next step is to divide both sides by 100. That gives you 6.52 over 100 equals total recombinants over total offspring. So we see that 6.52 is directly proportional to the total recombinants, and 100 we can just use as the total offspring. So from there, we need to take this number, 6.52, and since that equals the total number of recombinants, and up here we have 2 recombinants. For recombinants, we will divide 6.52 over 2, which equals 3.26. And then parentals, we know our total offspring, there's 100 of them. So we do 100 minus 6.52, and then again we divide this by 2, the number of parentals that we have. This will get you 46.74. So after we've done this, we're going to put these two numbers into ratio form. The next step is to just write these out as a ratio. So 3.26 of the recombinants, 3.26, and then 46.74. 46.74. So we've got all these. We want, in a ratio, our lowest number is always going to be 1. To get that, you take the lowest number in your ratio and divide everything by it. So 3.26 over 3.26 is 1. And then, for this, because we want to still keep them proportional, they have to have the same denominator. So you're going to do 3.26 here as well. And that turns these numbers into 1, 1, 14.3, and 14.3. And you should still write them like this. This is just to save time. And that's how you should be able to get the genotypic ratio from your map units.